In today's hyper-connected world, cyber threats evolve faster than ever before. A single vulnerability can disrupt businesses, compromise trust, and impact entire industries. Banks, enterprises, governments, and digital businesses are facing increasing risks from ransomware, phishing, cloud vulnerabilities, API attacks, and data breaches. Welcome to Cyber Proactiva Collaborative Consulting, a future-ready cybersecurity and compliance consulting company helping organizations strengthen digital resilience through proactive security solutions. Organizations today face complex cybersecurity challenges, evolving regulations, weak cloud security, lack of internal expertise, and growing human-centric cyber threats. Cyber Proactiva delivers end-to-end cybersecurity consulting, vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, governance risk and compliance solutions, cloud security, and AI-driven cyber defense strategies tailored for modern enterprises. Our compliance-first approach ensures that cybersecurity is not treated as an afterthought. From ISO 27001 and PCI DSS to GDPR, DPDP Act, and RBI cybersecurity mandates, we help organizations remain secure, compliant, and audit-ready. By integrating AI-powered compliance automation and intelligent threat detection, Cyber Proactiva is building scalable cybersecurity solutions designed for the future of digital transformation. Our expertise spans across BFSI, healthcare, telecom, manufacturing, government, IT services, and critical infrastructure, delivering customized cybersecurity frameworks for every sector. Because technology alone is not enough, we empower organizations through cybersecurity awareness programs, institutional collaborations, and hands-on training initiatives that strengthen human resilience against cyber threats. Led by professionals with over 2 decades of global corporate experience in cybersecurity, governance, compliance, and risk management, Cyber Proactiva combines deep expertise with innovative execution. Our vision is to build a trusted global cybersecurity ecosystem powered by proactive consulting, intelligent automation, and resilient digital security frameworks. Cyber Proactiva is not just securing systems, we are enabling secure digital transformation for the future.